Run that up, Rico.
Smoking cushion, public feel numb as fuck. This what happen when you cool as IS chicks down to fuck. Hustle 24/7, you can't trust on lady luck. Shoot a fair one, be honest, some niggas tryna make it up. My nigga walking with guns and I milligrams, I'm tape it up. My old ops fucking with my new niggas, they fake as fuck. But I got money, power, respect, chicks down the cuff. Be careful who you link up with, cold-blooded, they don't know what's love. I don't even cap in it, this ain't my first time rapping it. Drill track make you slap a bitch, make a cool cargo snatch your legs. I'll be good when I'm in the stew, what you gonna do when I come for you? They couldn't do what I have to do. Nigga don't work misunderstood. You niggas faking. I speak that truth to naked. Getting this dough like I'm baking. How beat this flow is pacing, more is pacing. I think on this beat we need a verse from the trap boys. Call up my vala, I better spraka, you have no choice. When I stick up, swaka fella, hopula mic man. See me now, harifeta hubala mic stand. Bafana bageto ke bona joba, blama ko pela di corner. Bafana bageto ke bona joba, blama ko pela di corner. 24, risky me le 24. Ele koto ka koto e kare ke 24. For 24 hours pushing 30, still look 24. For the 12, body 12, madibala 24.